Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something exciting. How to trade in the pre-market on Webull in 2025. If you're an aspiring trader looking to gain an edge before the markets officially open, this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First off, what's pre-market trading? It's the ability to buy and sell stocks outside regular trading hours, typically from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. This can be a game changer in 2025, with faster markets and more volatility due to global events and advanced tech integrations on platforms like Webull. Why should you care? Pre-market trading lets you react to overnight news, earnings reports, or economic data before the crowd, potentially locking in better prices. But remember, it comes with risks like lower liquidity and wider spreads, so always trade smart. Now, let's get to the how. Step 1. Make sure you have a Webull account set up. If you're new, download the app or head to the website and complete your verification. 2025 updates might include enhanced biometric logins for security. Step 2. Log in and navigate to the Trade tab. Look for the pre-market filter. It's usually under market hours or a dedicated section. Enable it if needed. Webull's 2025 interface could have eye-driven recommendations to highlight pre-market opportunities. Step 3. Search for the stock you want, check the pre-market quote, and place your order. Use limit orders to avoid surprises, and set stop losses to protect your investments. Double-check for any 2025 specific rules, like new commission fees or extended hours. A few tips for 2025. With potential regulatory changes, stay updated on Webull's blog or app notifications. Use tools like virtual trading to practice, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. It's all about building discipline. There you have it, your quick guide to pre-market trading on Webull in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's trade smart and stay ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.